evening, everyone. This is Lynn from Paper Peas. Tonight I am on to cover hashtag Flip Through Friday, which is being hosted by Gwen the Trash Witch. If this is your first time tuning in, thank you so much for deciding to join us. If you are a returning person or subscriber, you know we're going to have ourselves a little fun, and you know I thank you. But if you haven't subscribed yet, you might want to go ahead and do so, because why, I would appreciate it, okay? So, that being said, this afternoon when I came home, I had a box from scrapbooksupplyoutlet.com. Now, I had purchased something else from them, but in order to be able to receive free shipping, I had to purchase something else. And what I elected to do was, I think that this was like $20 to get like 50 sheets of designer paper. Don't worry, we're still going to cover our Christmas in July item. And you should see the winner's name of our last week giveaway posted somewhere within the screen, okay? But just in case you decide you might want to take and purchase a few of these papers, I want to show you what you're gonna get for, I think it's $20 or $25. Now what I'm going to do is, I am going to be searching to go back and put a screenshot of what I paid for this in frame somewhere, okay? But I haven't had a chance to cover these, and I figured I would cover these first, then we'll get to our additional flips, okay? All right. As we start off, this is, what is this? These are by Fancy Pants Designs. These are some tickets. It's the backside. And when I purchased this, it did not give me an opportunity to choose or select which papers I wanted. It's just going to, it was like a blind box of so many different pages. So once again, these are by what? Fancy Pants Designs. And there's supposed to be multiple designs in here, or multiple designers in here too. It's nice. These pages, as I'm looking at them, are from 2013. But you guys know I am a lover of upcycling older pages. These are cute. These are cute. Now, when I change designers, or whenever they change designers, oh, this is cute in the pack that they gave me, then I'll let you know. I don't know if this is a full collection or just what I have to take and go back and look and see. And some of you may have this in your wonderful stash. Okay. I don't know, but you know I'm going to do a little research and find out. These are cute. These little bingos, love them. And like I said, once again, I just got this. So I'm taking a few stolen moments to see what's in this particular pack. And I don't know if all of these packs are going to be the same or just what. Okay, now here is a sheet. This is from Prima Marketing. Okay. See? Prima Marketing. Here's another sheet. This is a Prima Marketing sheet. Okay. I'm going to assume this is another Prima Marketing. It is. Likewise, I believe it is. Prima. And again, once I have an opportunity, I'm going to sit down. This is a Prima. And see if all of these come from one particular collection or just what. But I just thought I would take advantage of this is nice, these little color parts. I thought I would take advantage of getting some extra different papers so that I could build out my total so I wouldn't have to pay for shipping, okay? This is cute. I like these a lot. I do, I like this a lot. Okay. So thus far, I've gotten Fancy Pants and Prima Marketing so far. Hold on. Flip with one too many pages. No, that's one page. It's just thick. Okay. Cute. I like this. Nice. Neat. Okay. Okay. I guess, you know, these blind boxes for them are their own way of doing their destashes as well. I think this is a nice one too. This is a criminal marketing as well. Cute. Likewise, a Prima. This is neat. This is neat. I don't know about you all, but sometimes, you know, I know we have so many different types of collections that are coming out, but these vintage cardstocks are really nice. And based upon whatever your craft project is, oh, look at this. I like this a lot. I like that a lot. You know, based upon whatever project you're working on, this is nice too. You can always pull these back out. I do. I have no problem getting vintage, colorful cardstock or collections too. I love it. This is nice. Okay. This is cute. Okay. And we're still in the Prima marketing era, okay? Hold on. This is pretty. And if you're a person that's new to crafting, I don't want to tell people how to spend their money, but I would encourage you to explore some destashes. You will be surprised at some of the gorgeous, I mean, just gorgeous things people own. Oh my goodness. It just blows my mind even when I destash or somebody else does. Okay, now I'm going to flip this a little bit because you guys know, if you know me, you know I love Bo Bunny. So now they have some Bo Bunny papers in here. So as of now, I've gotten some fancy pants and I've gotten some Prima marketing. Now we're over here on the Bo Bunny side of things. Oh my, you know I love Bo Bunny. Okay. Okay. And I'm still wondering if these are from, if they've given so many pages that go along with a specific collection, which you know what, I am all right with. I'm going to take these and put these in my little book that has like some single sheets of Bo Bunny. Oh, and this is just in time for Christmas. Look at that. Wow. I love this sheet. Oh my goodness, I love this. Oh, I love that. Love that side. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, it says that this is like elf. What is this? Elf magic. Okay. Okay. These are cute. And if these happen to just come from like, oh, this is so nice. This is nice. This is nice. The reason I want to know is because if like this, all of these say elf magic. If all of these papers are like actually part of just one specific collection, then for me, what I'm going to do is get on the hunt for maybe a pack or two of ephemera to go along with this. It's nice. These are cute. It's pretty. This is nice. Okay. And I didn't bother to count. Oh, this is nice. Okay, I see how that's in there. I didn't bother to count to see if these were actually 50 pages. I like this. I really love this a lot. But that's a pretty page. I didn't bother to count to see if there were actually 50 pages in here. But I do like the selection. So in my pack, I got Fancy Pants, Prima Marketing, and Bo Bunny, which I'm pleased with all of those. So now let me take us to our other part of our flip. Now, some of you may say, well, this doesn't fall in alignment with Christmas in July. Well, it depends on how you look at it, okay? Now, this is a Recollections It says neutral textures. Recollections, as we all know, is part of Michael's brand. There are 58 sheets in here. There are 29 designs, 2 sheets of each. Now, for me, neutrals go, they are in alignment with the blue, the red, the green, winter green of fall, Christmas, okay? This is a cute sheet. Here's something else, so I want you to hear this. These pages are not thin by any means, okay? This is pretty. This is one of the sheets. I really do love this sheet. It is just, it's pretty. It looks like maybe leather. I like this. I like that a lot. Now this is, see? And sometimes people are like, what am I going to do with this? These are textures that work perfectly when you are crafting for the holidays. I promise you they are. This faux fur. And there's a little brown here, but it looks like a leather. Has a leather-like look to it. Not texture, but look, okay? As I was kindly told, these plaids. I like it with this gold on here. This sweater. This is nice too. Here we are. And once again, this is intended to be neutrals, okay? That's interesting. Hold on, let me go back. Okay, so one has a gray to it. You see it? And one has this bone color to it. Okay? This is gorgeous. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh my goodness, that's pretty. Okay? Another hue of sweater. And you may not believe this. Here's another hue of faux, what is this, faux fur? When you are crafting, there are times when you actually need these types of papers to go along with your layering. This gives off the perception of a leather, okay? These gold dots, beautiful. This is pretty. This is cute. Again, here we are. This gives off that faux fur kind of look across it a little bit, but it's nice. I promise. This is really nice. Here are gold stripes. Here's another texture of leather. This is pretty. This is the non-foiled version of the foiled version we saw. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. This is really beautiful. Okay, this is cute. Once again, we are dealing with what? Neutrals. Much needed neutrals, right? Here's another sweater. Now this is pretty here. This is just gorgeous. Look at that. Oh wow, that's gorgeous. Wow, that's pretty. We've got this pattern. We've got these. And that's going to conclude this pad. Now, before you sit here and say, okay, let me click off, or that wasn't what I was looking for. Well, it should be, because I'm going to tell you something else. This is fabulous when you are doing your fall and winter crafting, especially around the Christmas holidays or Thanksgiving, okay? There's, these colors lend themselves to Thanksgiving colors as well. You can back things with Thanksgiving colors, okay? But because I know for a fact that people are like, well, yeah, that's a nice pad. To go along with that pad, to add a little, here we have this wonderful Heidi Swap album kit, okay? In this album kit, which has never been opened, you're going to find that there are sheet protectors in here. Look, let me show you, see? Sheet protectors in here. There are sheets in here. I think this is really, really nice. And I'm not going to open it because as the giveaway for this week, it's going to be this pad and this fabulous notebook. No, my papers that I just showed were not my giveaway. I just had to go through them. And I figured, you know what? If I wanted to see what they are, if you've ever purchased from www.scrapbooksuppplyoutlet.com and you came across that, I double checked a few minutes ago. I got 50 sheets of designer paper for $20. No, I'm not an affiliate. I'm just telling you what I got. So in the event you might be interested, you can go and get it too. But as you can see, here is a Heidi Swap glitter blinged out storyline notebook. Never opened in any sort of way whatsoever. Brand new, that I am going to include as this week's giveaway. So the winner will get this notebook and this pad as this week's hashtag Flip Through Friday, and for me, hashtag Christmas in July. And once again, like I've said to you all, my birthday is this month. My birthday is Monday. So we've got this giveaway and we have one more giveaway next week. So everyone, the word to be entered to win this package is gold. Everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to tune into Paper Piece. If you would subscribe, like, share, comment, come back and see me again. And most importantly, be good to yourself. I would appreciate it. Take care.